Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where for some reason you keep seeing this little thing that comes up that says iPhone unavailable, try again in 1 minute. Now, the reason why this happens is basically at its core, you typed in the passcode wrong too many times and essentially it just wouldn't allow you to use that specific device. Now, this is a two-part thing. Let's say you locked your iPhone, right? And you type in the passcode too many times wrong and you still can't get through it. Well, then you're going to end up getting that little pop-up because it's going to not think you're the owner of that iPhone. You're trying to hack into it and it's not going to allow you to use it. So if you type in the passcode too many times wrong or you failed Face ID too many times, well, essentially this is what's going to happen. So you're going to have to wait out, a minute or two, and then eventually over time it's going to allow you to, type in the passcode again, and hopefully you know the right passcode, and you probably won't have too many issues. Now, there's been some stories of people who went ahead and they never even unlocked their phone. As soon as they pulled it out of their pocket, they would essentially get into that little screen that would just say whatever it was. Now, the reason this may happen is sometimes your phone can actually go and unlock itself within the passcode, within your pocket itself. Now, it doesn't happen all the time, but sometimes this can happen, and that can be kind of an issue for some people. So if you are somebody who has tap to wake enabled on their phone, so essentially you can go ahead and tap the display and it can turn on, or if you're somebody who, maybe has a case on their phone that typically just, holds the power button, that can like randomly click the power button or whatever. Even if you have a home button iPhone, sometimes your iPhone can accidentally unlock itself inside of your pocket, believe it or not. And also it can accidentally swipe up, and sometimes Face ID automatically tries detecting the person, and if it doesn't detect anything, it just is in your pocket. Well, you're going to randomly get into this pop-up, and it's okay. All you have to do is wait it out, and then you should be good to go for the most part. So that's pretty much it. If you have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.